Hi there, welcome to Two Birds. I'm Fiona, and today I'll explain how to move from high to low push-up or plank to Chaturanga Dandasana. And Chaturanga Dandasana is an excellent core and upper body strengthener when done correctly. And because it's repeated so often in vinyasa flow, it's important to get the correct alignment so you don't end up putting too much pressure perhaps on the front of your shoulders, your wrists or your low back. Let's take a look. In this sequence, high to low push-up, think about stacking and spreading. So in plank, we stack our shoulders over our wrists and we spread the effort through our body. So we engage our thighs and abdominal core to support our back body. We spread our chest, so we're broadening our chest laterally, and we spread our fingers with weight equally dispersed in our base knuckles and our fingertips. So when you stack and spread, you find a strong, steady alignment, and your muscles don't have to work too hard to hold the pose. So you find a sense of ease. From plank, we transition to low push-up or Chaturanga Dandasana. We retain the element of stacking by first shifting forward and bringing your chest through your arms to allow your elbows to stack over your wrists at a right angle. And so as you lower to a hover, avoid your shoulders dropping lower than your elbows. So there's a clear line of energy and stability from your shoulders to your elbows. The legs and abs stay engaged, your fingers stay spread and active, and your chest is open. And if you're still working on your core and upper body strength, modify with the knees to the floor so you can maintain an integrity in the transition and you avoid piking through the buttocks or losing engagement through your abdominals.